it, the step.
Okay. More than that.
So the ring was at a different number and he's hammering it down to my size. Let's go all the way down to where? To the 9. See how shiny it is? Shiny.
Matcha? Wanna try mine?
It's tough. It's mousse. Mousse cake. Oh, it's like a chestnut or something. Let go flakes. Oh my gosh, you're getting wet. It's so rainy here.
Thank you.
Tea. I'm getting wet. I'm getting wet. It's raining so hard today. Look at this carpet. So we just drank the water thing, but we weren't sure which one's for what because it doesn't say, and I don't have any data or service right now to figure out like which one is what. But I chose the middle one, and Dennis also chose the middle one. I'm gonna find out what it is later. Now ramen or life. All the umbrellas are all mixed up over there. And Dennis is hiding ours so no one steals it. Just got served ramen. What's this? No ramen, no life. This is the pickle.